introduce myself. My name is Devita Natasha Trikusuma. Kelas 631A13. NIM 63250668. In my opinion, smoking on campus is not allowed. If you really want to smoke in the designated area and don't violate the problems set by the campus, and then you finish smoking, you must wash your hands. Don't let a smoking sign stand out, but you still strongly smoke in area where you should, because we have to maintain cleanliness and the environment. Cigarette butts are one of the most common and difficult to decompose waste smoking in any place on campus often contributes of cleanliness problems and damage the aesthetic of the campus environment. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Devita Natasha Trikusuma. Kelas 631A13. NIM 63250668. Present. The simple present tense is a form of tense used to express habits, general facts, or events that occur regularly in present. Check simple present: I, you, say, we. Verb do or done. She, he, it, does or doesn't. Understanding the use of subject pronouns is very important first step. Words like you, say, we, he, she, and it are often used in daily conversation, so it is important for beginners to understand them correctly. If you are still confused about how to use subject pronouns, the following explanation will help you understand them. What are subject pronouns? Subject pronouns are pronouns that function as the subject or their instance. They replace the name of a person, object, or animal to simply distinguish. There are 7 subject pronouns in English, namely I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Object or animal. How to use subject pronouns? I, the subject. I is used when talking about oneself, person singular. It also used in both formal and informal situations. Explain. Here are the formulas and explain of nominal, simple, present tense. General formula: subject plus to be, am, is, are plus complete adjective, noun, or adverbial phrase. Positive sentence formula: subject plus to be plus complement. Explain: I am international school student. Negative sentence formula: subject to be, not complement. Explain: she is not an international school student. Interrogative sentence formula: to be, subject plus complement plus question mark. Explain: is she an international school student? Simple present tense, interrogative or question. Stage in the simple present tense. Here are the key points from this information. To form an interrogative sentence, add to or does. The formula used is to or does plus subject plus verb plus object. The word to is used for the subject I, you, there, or we. The word does is used for the third person singular she, he, it. for the person subject after do or does. The verb does not at the ending s or s. Usage 1. To show a recurring event that is happening at the present time. For example, go to campus by motorcycle every day. Go usage 2. To indicate a general fact or event, for example, a snake has knowledge. The nominal pattern in English grammar. Positive sentence, the structure is subject plus to be plus noun, adjective, adverb. Negative sentence, the structure is subject to be noun, adjective, adverb. Interrogative tense, questions, the structure to be subject, noun, adjective, adverb. Subject verb, agreement to be from, are, is, are, am. Subject see, it, as, is, employed as, am, is, listed. Party subject you, we, they, us, are. Subject I, us, am, include. Explain a positive sentence. She is beautiful woman. Negative sentence. She is not a beautiful woman. Interrogative sentence. Is she a beautiful woman? Verbs in English which show the basic form verb 1 and base form verb 2 by adding the ending at. Grammar rule for changing verbs ending in consonant plus y. This rule involves removing the letter y and adding the suffix s. Apply to verbs that have curtain ending with some explain given. An English grammar rule for changing verbs ending in consonant plus y. This rule involved by e and the letter y and adding the suffix. The formulas for simple past, negative, and interrogative forms. The original sense uses the past tense, simple past tense, indicated by the verb when the second form of go and the time of verb was switched. To form a negative sentence in the simple past tense, the auxiliary verb did not or did in is used followed by the past form infinitive of the verb go, not to. To form an interrogative sentence in the simple past tense, the auxiliary verb did is used at the beginning of the sentence. The subject and the base form of the verb go, not go or to. Play a presentation slide about the simple past tense formula without a verb, without verb in English. The detail of the formula shown are positive sentence subject plus was or were plus o. Negative sentence subject was, were plus o. This is image display a presentation slide about the simple past tense formula without a verb in English. The detail of the formula shown are positive sentence subject plus was, we, or were plus o. Negative sentence subject plus was, or were plus o. Interrogative sentence was or was plus subject plus o. The subject I see is used was, while you, we, and there as were. The image provides explain of simple past tense sentence using the verb to be, was, or were for affirmative plus negative and interrogative forms. The image display to explain of simple past tense sentence without main action verb instead using forms of to be, was, or were. verbal stage is a stage that contains an ordinary verb as its main predicate, descriptive, and action or process. Unlike a nominal stage which has a form to be as the main verb, a verbal stage centers on an action verb like run, eat, or play. For example, see sing beautiful is a verbal stage because the verb sing describes her action, where she is daughter is a nominal stage because the main verbs. Key characteristic. This is an ordinary verb. The main verb is regular action verb, not a linking verb from the to be family. Descriptive action or stage being the verb can show a process action, a running, or a simple action, plays. May include an object or complement. The verb can be followed by an object or other words that provide more information about the action. Explain. He cooks delicious meals. We played scores yesterday. I'm student for the exam. Simple present tense function. To express habitual truth, Chinese situation and emotions or species. It also used for giving instructions or direction and for stating fixed argument or schedule for the present or future. Function of the simple present tense. Habit and repeat action describes something that happens regularly, often with a phrase or frequency, like always, often, or every day. Explain. I wake up at 2 a.m. every day. General truths, stage facts that are always true. Explain the sunrise in the Alps. Enchanting situation refers to stages or vacation that are not temporary. Explain. She works in London. Feeling, thoughts, and opinion is said to express a character stage and emotion or opinion. Explain. He believes it's the right thing to do. Intonation on commands used to direction or tell someone what to do. Explain. You walk for 200 meters, then you leave.